So what had happened was hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so what had happened was it's been so long since I've like sat in front of a camera and filmed and well I've been moving the thing and said something. Firstly, happy new year. It's 2021. There are no words for 2020, apart from thank God that it's finished. I hope everyone is well, everyone's doing okay and ready to face 2021. New goals, new visions, even if they're not even new. Just trying to start again with the same visions and goals that we had and consulted God on, and now have the time to pursue those. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an Instagram, I say Instagram look, but it's going to be like a really high glam, orange glitter, smoky-ish look. I say this now, but it might not look like that by the end. I have this outfit, this gorgeous outfit. You can see this outfit picture on my Instagram. Just gonna put it here. I thought I'd mention quickly just before I get started, this is probably going to be a voiceover, so I will list all the products that I use down in the description box below, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So yeah, very full coverage, high glam. I'm just starting off the year how it means to go on, like I am boss babe. I want to look like a boss babe, okay? I want to look fine, you know? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, taking my Makeup Forever Aqua Brow and I'm just lining the bottom of my eyebrow. Just light strokes, nothing too heavy because I don't want it to be really strong. I then take it and feather upwards when I get to the front of my brow. I line the tail just to define that. I take my spoolie to feather out the front because I don't want a blocky eyebrow. It is not cute. Then I'm taking my Conceal and Define concealer in the shade 13 and I'm taking another angled brush and I'm just going over my eyebrow with that. To clean up the top, I take the Conceal and Define foundation in the shade 13.5 and I just go over the top of my brow just to clean it up a little bit. I then take a brown eyebrow gel that I believe I got from Primark and I just go through the hairs, so just that they're going in the same direction and it just makes my brow look neater. I'm then taking my Pia Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Ruma 5 and I just put that all over my eyelid. To set that in place, I then take my Hello Sunkissed matte bronzer and just set that with my beauty blender. I'm going to be using this September Rose Brew eyeshadow palette. I'm taking like a terracotta brown and I'm just putting that into my crease first as my transition color. I then take the terracotta orange, it's kind of burnt orange, and I just fade out the edges. I then go in with the darker orange and I just put that on my outer corner. I then go in with the yellow shades and I just bring forth the inner corner of my eye. I then go back in with the orange or just to intensify the shadows. I'm then taking this dark chocolate brown and I'm just deepening my outer V with that. I then take that same orange shade that I used on the outer V and I put it on the inner corner. I'm now going to use the NYX glitter eyeshadow base and I'm going to put that on my eyelid, and I'm then going to use just an orange glitter, just going to press that on with a brush. I then go in with my black eyeliner. I'm then just using a fluffy brush to brush away any fallout I may have. I then take the same foundation that I used to go over the top of my eyebrow with and I just do my base. I'm then taking the Conceal and Define concealer from Revolution in 13 again and I'm just using that to color correct and conceal. I then go in with the shade C12 and I use that to highlight, all blended out with the beauty blender. I'm then taking my Laura Mercier loose translucent setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. I then go into my Raye palette by BH Cosmetics and I take the light tan shade and I just brush away the excess powder. I then go with my contour kit in dark. Yeah, this is my OG contour kit. I don't use anything else. And I just use that to contour my face. I then go back to my Raye palette and I use the brown highlight shades and I just go over high points of my face just as a soft highlight. I then take the pink tone highlight and I'm just going in the corner of my eye. I then draw in my beauty spot. I then tight line and underline my eye with a black hole pencil. Taking that same tan colour from the Raye palette, just going under my eyes again, just to prevent from creasing. And then taking my lip liner by Revolution in the shade Glory. I'm just lining my lip. I then take my City Colour Collection lipstick, just a nude mauve pink, and I just dab that in. I then take my Essence mascara and I just go over my bottom and top lashes. I'll then be using these Coco Honey eyelashes in the style Empress, and I'll be using the original Duo eyelash glue for that. I'm just going to finish it all off with the Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray by Revolution, and I'm going to use a fan to dry all of that. So this is the final look. I've just put on my wig so you guys can see how everything came together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below the kind of looks that you'd like to see me do in the future. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.